Security, IT, and SRE teams are ready to move beyond simple AI-assisted workflows. The goal is to operationalize agents in real production environments. However, many teams still face a critical gap: the ability to safely connect an AI agent to live operational signals. Currently, the work that follows an alert is often fragmented across ticketing systems, chat platforms, runbooks, and cloud tools. This leads to slow handoffs and inconsistent investigations. Splunk Agent Launchpad changes that, providing a unified foundation for building, connecting, launching, and reviewing agents directly within the Splunk platform. The process begins in the AI Toolkit dashboard. Here, your admins manage your agent integrations, including large language model choices, MCP servers, knowledge bases, and more. By registering external services and granting access only to the specific tools approved, such as metadata lookups or saved searches, you maintain a secure, simplified, and auditable environment. Once connected, you can create and manage your AI agents. You define the agent's role, select the orchestrating large language model, and configure system prompts that guide the agent to deliver the right outcome. By attaching specific knowledge bases and agent skills, you ensure the agent is purpose-built to serve your unique needs with the right context and execute the right actions. Invoking an agent is seamless. Using the AI agent command within Search, you can trigger your agent's logic against recent index data. The agent returns a threaded response that doesn't just justify the issue, it acts. For example, it can automatically generate a Jira ticket, pre-populated with summaries, relevant logs, and key fields, drastically reducing the manual documentation time. Beyond manual investigation, you can query the agent to deepen your triage, helping you prioritize customer-impacting issues faster. To scale this, you can save these agent-driven searches as alerts within Splunk. This allows the system to trigger the agent automatically on a schedule or whenever the specific conditions indicate a system impact. Splunk Agent Launchpad bridges the gap between agentic potential and operational reality. To learn more about how you can start building and deploying your own agents, visit our website at splunk.com.